Hey there, dessert lovers! If you've ever craved that classic creamy kulfi from your favorite Indian sweet shop, I've got you covered. Today, I'm walking you through a foolproof, authentic recipe for perfect kulfi you can make right at home. We're going for that rich, dense texture and all those dreamy cardamom, saffron, and nutty flavors. Ready? Let's go! First up, start with 1 liter of full-fat milk. Trust me, don't go low-fat here. The creaminess is everything. Pour your milk into a heavy-bottomed pan and bring it to a boil over medium heat. Now lower the flame and simmer. You want to stir this regularly, scraping the milk solids from the sides. This step takes a bit, 30 to 40 minutes, but it's where the magic happens. You're reducing the milk by half, amping up the flavor and creaminess. Once your milk's thick and luscious, add half a cup of condensed milk, or, if you're a traditionalist, about 100 grams of sugar. If you want an even smoother texture, mix a tablespoon of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of cold milk and stir that in. Got Khoya or mawa? Toss in a 1/4 cup for a super rich kulfi. It's totally optional, but I love the depth it brings. Time to flavor it up. Sprinkle in half a teaspoon of cardamom powder, a pinch of saffron strands soaked in a bit of warm milk, and a 1/4 cup of chopped nuts, almonds, pistachios, or cashews, whichever you like. For a beautiful aroma, add a teaspoon of rose water if you have it. Cook for another 2 minutes, then turn off the heat. Let your mixture cool to room temperature. Give it a stir now and then so you don't get that thick skin on top. Once it's cool, pour it into kulfi molds, little cups, or even popsicle molds. Leave a bit of space at the top, pop in wooden sticks, and cover with foil to keep everything in place. Now patience. Freeze for at least 6 to 8 hours. Overnight is best. When you're ready to serve, run the molds under warm water or rub them between your palms to loosen the kulfi. Garnish with a few more nuts or a sprinkle of saffron and get ready for a bite of heaven. A few quick tips. Always use full-fat milk for creaminess, reduce the milk slowly for the best flavor, and if you want to mix things up, try mango kulfi or blend pistachios for a pistachio twist. If your kulfi turns out grainy, it's probably from high heat. Keep it low and slow. Too hard? You need more reduction or add Khoya next time. Not flavorful enough? Don't be shy with the cardamom and nuts. And there you have it, authentic homemade kulfi that's just as good as anything you'll get at a restaurant. If you found this helpful and want more delicious recipes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for all the latest updates. Thanks for watching and happy indulging.